let's have a look, is to create a constant string. All right, so let's have a look at doing that. All right, we've got this here. When we open up Playground is a variable string, which means I can change it. To make it a constant, we just change the var into a let. And now I cannot change that. And you can try to. This might solve some of the other problems later. I'm going to add another string to it, and we're going to see what happens. What's this going to do? Build it, and yes, we get an error, and the error is telling us to change the let to a var. One of my favorite errors. Click this and press fix, and there you can see the var here has changed, and it was let. I'm going to press undo, change it back, and build again. We'll get the same error. And I'll rechange that to var just so you can have a look, and just experiment with this. Build again. It won't let me do that. Let's build it down here. And it's running. And over here we've got hello playground, and it's added. So that's how you add another string and change the original string. You use plus equals, and then I've put what is this going to do. Now, as you notice, there's no space. You have to do that manually like this, and run it again. And if I check that again, there's the space now. Use the eye to see quickly what this code is doing, and if you really want to, print to debugger. There you go. That is how to create a constant string. Oh yeah, one more thing. Let's another way to be explicit is you do this. You put the colon and then string after it. As you see, I can't change that, but when I call it later, you can still use it. And this is very handy if there's things in your code that you want to stay the same. All right, here we go, print that, and hello playground prints, and that's making it explicit. Also makes it a little bit clearer sometimes, depending on what you've got going on, to say what the actual object or the thing is.